Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate alarm on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, activating an alarm helps you manage your time effectively by setting reminder for important tasks, appointments, meetings, or events. It ensures that you stay organized and punctual throughout your day. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to begin, open the clock application on your device and navigate to the alarm section. So, click on the Add button to create a new alarm. Set desired time for the alarm and specify the working days when the alarm should repeat. Okay, additionally, you can add a title to label your alarm for easy identification. Okay, so in the alarm settings, customize the alarm sound to your preference. And choose whether to activate alarm vibration or not. Okay, and then adjust the repetition and duration settings for the alarm as needed. And if you wish to personalize the alarm further, you can also set a custom background for the alarm display. Okay, once you have configured all the settings to your liking, click on Save to activate the alarm. Okay, and now your alarm is successfully set up and ready to alert you at the specified time with the chosen settings. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.